All right, guys, I made it to the lake this morning, and I'm going to be heading back to the rocky point over there. See if I can run into a few bass this morning. I'm going to be throwing some lipless crankbaits like this guy right here. That's what I'm going to start off with on the Fuego. And I got my bag here. I got this little two-sided Plano tackle box. This is one that belonged to my dad, and he had it for years and years and years. And this is where I keep a lot of my little smaller crankbaits and stuff, like they're all tangled up, like this guy right here. I got, I think, 8 or 7 of these. These are just no-name crankbaits I got from somewhere, maybe either eBay or Amazon. And some lipless, like this one right here. I got, if I can get them out of there. Get off of there, you. Dang it. Like that right there. I think I got 3 like that. Different color patterns. That guy right there. Look at that. That's a good looking lure right there. I'll probably catch a fish on that this morning. So we got the little tackle box. I'm gonna carry my bag with me this time. Got my pliers, my little tackle box, something to drink, because we're gonna be here a couple of hours. It's gonna get hot pretty quick. So I tried to get out here as early as I could. I got up about 7 o'clock this morning. Visited with Tammy a little bit when she got off work, and I'm trying to get out here. It's gonna be about 8 o'clock by the time I get over there. That'll give me a couple of hours to fish. That should be plenty of time to run into something over there. So give me a few minutes to get over to the rocky point, and then I'll be right back. There he is. I got him. There he is, guys. Oh, he got off. Huh. He got off right there. Shoot. Well, I had him, guys. Let him get away right there. That's okay. Quick release. There he is. Let's get this one up here. Let's get this one up here. Let's get him up here. Yes! I did it. I did it this morning. Man. Easy now. I got him. Oh, easy. I had him. Open your mouth, you. There, I got him. I think I got him. All right. Look what I did. Got him. Got him right there on the lipless. That got him. Little lipless. That guy right there, look. Hey, we did it. Can you believe it? Man, had 2 fish hooked right there pretty quick, back to back. Man, cool deal. Look at that. Look. Pretty bass this morning. Cool deal. Cool deal. Get that guy back. All right, I'm going to take this dude off and I'm going to grab another one real quick. Just give me a second or two to get this changed out. And then I'll be right back. Here we go. I got him. I got him, guys. I got him. I hooked him. Oh, easy. That's a pretty good fish. I think that's a smallmouth. I think that's a smallmouth. Oh my God. Can you believe this? I ain't believing this. Oh my gosh. Yes. Look what I did this morning. Easy now. Easy. Look in his mouth right here. Little fire tiger crankbait. Got him. Smallmouth bass this morning. Another one. Look. Look at that. Man, I threw that out there and he took it right off the surface. I don't know if you guys can see that or not out there, but he nailed it right on top of the water before I can even move it. Man, you never know what you're going to run into when you come out here. 3 days in a row, smallmouth bass. Can't believe it. That's not a big bass. That don't matter to me. I did it. I did it this morning. Look. Man, what a pretty fish that is. They are some fighting dudes now. Whew, that was awesome. Man, that was awesome. I'll let this guy go. May grow up to be a giant one day. Here you go, buddy. All right. Hey. Hey, I did it. Smallmouth. On the fire tiger. That got him. That got him right there. Cool deal. All right, I'm going to take this guy off. I'm going to put on another little crankbait. See if I can do that again. There's a little bass right there in front of me. See if he'll take it. He got it. He got it. Oh, I missed him. He got off. I had him. Dang it. He grabbed it. Dang it. Man, that's 2 I've hooked and lost this morning. Probably because the hooks are tangled up. It's one thing about these little crankbaits, guys. They have 2 sets of trebles on them and they tangle up with each other sometimes. If you don't pay attention, you'll lose fish because of that. There he was. Another one. He followed it up and I watched him. Let's see if he'll come after it again. This is a little crankbait's of Rapala, and it doesn't float, it sinks, so I have to fish it a little bit faster in this shallow water. So I have to hold the rod tip real high and fish it a little bit faster. But I can cast it further. See there? There he is. There he is. I got him. I got him. I did it. I did it. Look, I did it. The little Rapala got him. That's 2 or 3 of them that came after it there. Look at his mouth. Look. The little Rapala got him. Man, that was cool. There was 2 or 3 little bass right there that chased it up. And this guy finally got a hold of it and got a hook. Hey, look. Look what I did. Look here. Look. Another one. I did it again. Man, that was cool. Holy cow. That ain't a big bass, but that don't matter to me. Look. That was fun. That was fun. There's more bass out there. Guarantee you. I'm going to take this guy off. I'm going to try another one. Look at that. That got him. The little Rapala got him. Man, it's been a long time, I bet, since that thing's caught a fish. There's no telling. That one belonged to my dad. Thank you, Lord. That was a cool deal. I'm going to get this guy off of this snap and try another one. And then I'll be right back. You ready? I'm bombing out there as far as I can. There's a bluegill. I got him. Oh, easy, 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 easy. I did it. I did it. Did you see that? Holy cow. Holy cow, that was cool. Look at this. Bluegill. Bluegill grabbed it. Look. Look at that thing. Hey, look. Look at him. That got me a bluegill this morning. Hey, that's a cool catch right there. I seen him following it, man. He grabbed a hold of it. Man, I'll take it. Cool deal. Bluegill. Holy cow. Look at this guy back. Man, that was awesome. You never know what you're going to run into when you come out here. You might run into a bluegill. I don't know, guys. Should I keep throwing this one? Yeah, I think so. I'll keep throwing it. I mean, that counts as a catch, but it wasn't a bass. I don't know. I got a bunch of other lures I need to catch fish on too. I don't know. Let's bomb him out there one more time and then we'll change him out. You know what I think would be a good deal? Thinking about it right now, inline spinners back in here. I got a bunch of antique, old inline spinners, a bunch of them that I think would work good back in here. That might be tomorrow's adventure. Let me take this guy off and get a different lure on. I'll be right back. There he is. There he is, guys. Oh, that's a big fish. Big fish. Big fish. Oh, that's a good one. Holy cow. Hey, that's a catfish. I got a catfish, guys. Can you believe it? Can you believe this? Stay on there. You got to stay on there. You got to stay on there. Got to stay on there. I got to be real easy with this guy. I don't want to lose him. I need to catch this fish. Holy cow. This is going to be cool if I can get him in here. Can't believe it. Come on, you. Stay on there. Just got to be real easy, guys. I'm going to get down here. I'm going to get down here. I did it. I did it. I can't believe it. Holy cow. Look what I did. Let me get you guys down here. Let me get you guys down here off this rock. I can't believe that just happened. I was just fixing to call it a morning, guys. Let me get you guys set up here. Come on. Dang it. Here we go, guys. I can't believe that just happened. Oh, man. Look. Look what I did this morning. Look in his mouth. Look in his mouth right here. I can't get you guys set up straight. Here, give me a second. Give me a second. Try that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Look what I did. You never know what you're going to run into when you come out here. I've been pitching around there, seeing these little bass, but they won't take this lure. And then all of a sudden, look what happens. Look, a channel cat. Look what's in his mouth. Look at that thing. That was cool. Man, he wasn't hooked very good either. It's a little bitty hook on that lure. Oh, man. Gotta be careful with this guy. He could hurt me now. He could hurt me. Easy, you. Look at him. Look. Look at that. I did it. Man, that was a cool deal. What an awesome morning out here. Smallmouth, channel cat on a crankbait. Couple of largemouth bass. Man, that was awesome. I can't believe that just happened. That is a nice one. Man, if I had time, I'd take this guy home and have him for lunch, but I got a bunch of fish already in the freezer, so ain't no sense in killing this guy, but that was a cool deal. All right, we're gonna get this guy back. Man, that was exciting. Can't believe that guy. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it for me for this morning. It's already getting hot. Got to go home and get some chores done. Get something to eat. That little crankbait right there got him. Look at that. Little bitty dude. Man, I don't know what to say. What a cool morning. Glad I decided to get up and come out here. I'm going to do it again in the morning if I got the opportunity. I need to come out here and catch these bluegills. I've got a really cool reel that I got in the mail a couple days ago that I've been wanting to show you guys. So in the morning, I have to get that thing rigged up and get it out here and try to catch a few of these bluegills along with some bass. We'll see what we can run into, but for now, I want to thank you guys for watching.